Welcome back to 007 First Light. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reduce the strobing and flashing light effects within this game. So let's get started right away. If you experience discomfort due to flashing lights while playing this game, then it is quite easy to disable this to avoid any discomfort. First of all, just pause your game by pressing the start button or the escape button on your keyboard. Then from the pause menu, go into the options section. Now within options, click on accessibility. And now at the very beginning, you will find the light effects. There is a toggle for reducing your light effects. And when this is enabled, the strobe lighting, flashes on the weapon, and red monitor effect will be disabled. So you can just set this to on if you're experiencing any discomfort while playing the game. Once this option is selected, you can just go back and your changes will be saved. Now you can continue to enjoy your game without the strobing lights and the flashes. If you need to re-enable it once again, just follow the same steps. Pause your game, go back to options, and from the accessibility menu, you can once again turn this off. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to disable the flashing light effects on the 007 game. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.